This is a message to all the officials out there who are going to take the decision, who might take the decision of conducting the exams very soon. We are going to have three challenges, which is three exams: exam 1, exam 2, exam 3. These are the three basic challenges that the students might face. Now, I request you, not just a request, but I even challenge you to have three similar challenges. If you accept these challenges, we are ready to come and write the exams. Challenge number 1. And these challenges are for all the officials. All the officials. Challenge number 1. You will take care of each and every student's travel, not expenses, not just travel. Travel or even expenses, bear some expenses for them, at least 40 to 50%. You can even do that, I believe. If you're really courageous and sure that you can conduct exams, bear 50% of their expenses, travel expenses, that they come to the hostels or the places with this so that they can come and attend the exam for the 7-day period or 10-day period. Done. First challenge. Second challenge, last day of the examination, you will be there in the college. Each and every college, each of the officials with their own teams will be in each and every college, and they will be testing the students. They will be testing the students on the last day before they leave the college, and you will be taking each and every expense. You will be taking it, not the students. Do that. Expenses, I know most of the students will be affected. You and I are not fools to not agree that they won't be affected. They will be, and you will be taking the expenses of those students of treating them in the quarantine zones for the next 14 days. Done. Third, the remaining students will be sent back to their homes safe and sound in the transport, and complete expenses will be taken from your side. Do these three challenges, and I'll make sure that each and every student, I will try my level best to motivate as many students as I can so that they should come and write the exams. Do these three challenges, accept these three, we are ready to come and write the exams. Thank you. Thank you.
एग्जाम्स हमारी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम है पैंडेमिक, जिससे हम इन्फेक्ट नहीं होना चाहते और किसी और को इन्फेक्ट करना नहीं चाहते.
को हैदराबाद से अरुणाचल पहुंची थ्रू स्पेशल ट्रेन. यहाँ आने के बाद 14 डेज इंस्टीट्यूशनल क्वारंटाइन सेंटर पर थी और अभी मोर 14 डेज होम क्वारंटाइन पर हूँ. यहाँ से हैदराबाद की फ़्लाइट टिकट अमाउंट है अराउंड 10 to 15 के, जो कि बहुत ह्यूज अमाउंट है. तो मेरे पेरेंट्स ये भी सोच के परेशान है कि मेरे जाते वक्त इन्फेक्ट ना हो जाए.
इसके अंदर अगर मैं इन्फेक्ट हो गया कोरोना वायरस से, तो सिम्टम्स आ गई, मैं क्वारंटाइन कर दिया जाऊंगा, अपने फैमिली से दूर रहूंगा. वहाँ पर मुझे कोई फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं मिलेगा, कोई मॉरल सपोर्ट नहीं मिलेगा.
Topic is projected population of the city is 50,000. Estimate the quantity of sewage generated per day by assuming rate of water supply of 250 liter per capita demand.
जैसे हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी ने गाइडलाइंस रिलीज करी, तो उन्होंने कहा है अगर मोबिलिटी इश्यूज की वजह से अगर आप ट्रैवल नहीं कर पा रहे तो अब 45 डेज के बाद जो सप्लीमेंट्री एग्जाम होगी, अब उसमें वो एग्जाम में आके आप लिख सकते हो पेपर. लेकिन मेरा एक्चुअली JNTU से ये क्वेश्चन है कि अगर हम 20 जून को जो एग्जाम होगी उसमें अगर हम पास नहीं हो सकते तो हमारे पास वो सेकंड चांस होता है. जैसे सप्लीमेंट्री तो सेकंड चांस है, तो उसमें हमें वन टाइम में क्लियर करना है. और कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को बैकलॉग्स भी है. हमारा जो फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट होता है वो तो हमारा फाइनलाइज हो चुका है. जो फाइनल ईयर में यही चीज होती है. तो हम क्या चाहते हैं, हमारे जो बैकलॉग सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, जो रेगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, इनके जो मिड मार्क्स है उनको कंसिडरेशन में लेके हमें प्रोविजनल डिग्री आप अवॉर्ड करें. और आफ्टर पैंडेमिक, अगर ये पैंडेमिक जब रुक जाएगा, खत्म हो जाएगा, बैक टू नॉर्मल लाइफ आ जाएगा, तभी आप कुछ सोल्यूशंस निकाले. आप हमें एग्जाम देने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हम एग्जाम देने के लिए तैयार हैं.
Myself, Mohammad Sohail, student in Telangana State. I want to raise an issue about cancellation of examination and promote all the students in Telangana, as we all over the world facing in a pandemic situation of COVID-19. In this situation, I don't think the exams are more important than lives of students. As we all know, students are the future of our country, and students of Telangana are not worried about their lives. As you remember that Telangana students are played a major role in formation of Telangana, and many students sacrifice their life for formation of Telangana. and we students majorly worried about our family members. We not want to be in a reason to spread this coronavirus to all over the society. So I am requesting our Telangana CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao sir and Savita Indra Reddy madam, the education minister, and Telangana educational department to cancel all the UG and PG examinations and promote all the students in our Telangana. Requesting on behalf of Telangana student and Telangana NSUI. Thank you Speak Up India to giving me this wonderful opportunity to raise my voice.